What's up, YouTube? Infamous Nick Rose here. Uploaded another video of my baby, yes, again, because she seen us eating these little ice pops, you know, the little ghetto ones everybody eating sometimes. And she's tripping out because I ain't feeding it to her, right? So look, watch this shit, man. Hey, calm down. Your nana gonna see this when she get here. Calm down, it's okay. She's good. She like, who's this? Hold up. Yeah, is it good? Here, here, let me give it to you. Let me feed it to you. Here, 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 here. Here. Look at that, look at that, look at it. She going ham, boy. Crazy. She is 7 months old, cutting the damn food by the popsicle. Ah, is it good, boo? Is it good? Is it good? Yeah. God damn. We just spilled it. Ooh. It's all gone, boo. There ain't that but a little bit left. Mm. You like that? She finna be bouncing off the walls. When her nana get here, her nana's gonna keep her. Oh my goodness, this is good, baby. It's all gone, nigga. I don't know what you gonna do now here. You might as well chew on the paper. Huh. You see this? Cussing me out. Hey, what's up? What's up? Say hey to the camera. Say hey. Hey, y'all. Say hey. Oh, stop. Hey, watch your mouth. People can see that you're cussing. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Give me some sugar. Mm. Give me a kiss. Man, what? What? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss, Javier. Javier, give mommy a kiss. Mm. Okay. Give mommy a kiss. Uh-oh, you upset? You upset? What you doing? What you doing, mama? Why her on TV? Her on the computer? Her's on the computer. Her's just a bad girl. Not a bad girl. Yeah, say hey. Say hey. Hey, YouTube. Hey. She like, man, you get on my nerves with this YouTube shit, man. Ooh, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Javia. Man, bump this crazy, baby. Javia. Javia. Give me a kiss. What? Say it again. I'll punch you in your face. What, nigga? Who you talking to? Who? Hey, come here. Who you talking to? Who you talking to? She just spit all that in my mouth. Ooh, give me another kiss. Don't bite my lip, you raggedy nigga. What? Who you talking to? Who are you talking to? You better shut up. You better shut up. Put your hands up my face. Ooh. I'm sorry. Ew, man, you. Oh. Oh. Baby juices. Oh. I ain't kissing you no more, nigga. She like, why are you coughing in the middle of my movie? Have you lost your mind? I'm choking. I'm sorry. This nigga here. All right, tell you two bye bye. Oh, tell you two bye bye. Javia. Man, you get on my nerves. You know that you old stinking little rat face. What? What you say to me? You ugly, nigga. And your nana too. Hey, you talking about? Hey, man, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? What are you looking at? Yeah, wave at the camera. Attitude, attitude. Cut it out with that attitude, Missy. I'm sorry. Don't cry, don't cry. Give me a kiss. What? Uh, hey, calm down. Don't be hitting stuff. Calm down. Just chill. Why you yelling at yourself? She said, "Who the hell is that?" She said, "Who the hell is? Who the hell is that?" That's you. That's you, baby. What's the matter? All right, that's enough. See you later, YouTube. Oh, she uncovered me and stuff. Oh my goodness. But yes, you want to get back on? Oh, let me go tend to the monster.